Hey my loves, we are back with another one from Beauty Forever Hair. Okay, I love this cute little box. So we are coming through with an ombre, okay, a human hair ombre 22-inch bone straight unit. I'm so excited about this. You guys have no idea. None. So we are coming through with the ombre 22-inch unit. Oh my goodness, she's stunning. I wish you guys could feel this. I wish it was Feel-O-Vision from Beauty Forever Hair, okay? Let's just get into her. When was y'all gonna tell me my scarf was still on? So I just wanted to show you guys what she looks like fresh out. The lace already is a little light, but I can't. I don't even know if we deserve this. Do we deserve? I'm feeling like Chewbacca. I don't know if y'all ready, but I'm ready to get her together, okay? So this is her, fresh out the pack. They done gave us a whole nother hair worth of lace. I could dig it though. I could dig it. Let's get into the cap construction. So she has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever. Let's look at that lace. Okay. So this Beauty Forever hair is actually a part or under the AliExpress umbrella. So you can actually search for Beauty Forever hair on aliexpress.com. Now, this unit I have is 22 inches. She's 150% density. She's not thick at all, which I think is good for the summertime. And she's going for just under $200. Now, this is a 13 by 4 lace. Now, I really do enjoy the lace parting space. The lace was a bit translucent for me, but that's only because I'm a brown girl. Like, I'm Wakanda Forever brown, and you know what I mean? Everything ain't for everybody. So sometimes you gotta do a little bit of work, and in this case, we did. So I'm just going through and laying her down. We're using our Gots to Be Glued, the actual gel, to lay this down and get her to hold, okay? Okay, so we're just going to take our edge wrap and lay mother down to sleep. Now, we done told her a cute little bedtime story about lace glue and hair dryers. And then we're going to put mother to sleep so she can get her beauty rest and be right in the morning. So I'm just actually laying my edges down. We're going to come back and straighten out the unit. Now, I did not want to compromise this unit too much. I wanted to give a natural look with her fresh out the pack. Okay, so I am using my HSI flat irons on about 375 degrees. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to go through and chase the hair with the rat tail comb. Okay, because we want her to be bone straight. We want to give her Bone Thugs and Harmony. We want her to be, you know, very night before Christmas, bone tea. Okay, so let's just get her together. Okay, and then we're going to show the final product. Now, the lace is 13 by 4, and the hair color is a T412. Okay, so I don't know who T4 or who 12 is, but she came through. All right, guys, we're back with our Beauty Forever hair. Now, we did actually straighten her all the way out. Okay, so she's straight. She feels super good to the touch. She did not tangle at all. She's not shedding, which is great. And this unit is 150% density. She's 22 inches long. Let's just go through, take this off, and then we can go through and get our edges together. I am super happy with how she came out. She looks absolutely stunning. Now, I know this is a more expensive unit than what we're used to dealing with, but we do have a coupon code, okay? So I'm just going to leave that in the description box so you can go ahead and check her out if you're feeling her. Now, I've been seeing this style a lot lately. My girl Kat did this style. Body by Kara, my baby, she did this style. So I'm feeling like I'm amongst some greats with this one. Now, I'm so happy with this hair. This unit feels so good to the look. Okay, she does have a few strands shedding, so. But that could all be because the way I cut off the lace or whatever the case may be. I'm actually super happy with this. I'm going to stand up so you guys get all the inches. I'm so happy and my edges aren't even laid. Like, look at that. We in here. Come through, Beauty Forever hair. It is so nice to hang out with you again, sis. Okay, and I'm just going to do one more step. So we're just going to do a low ponytail for our second style. I'm just going to use my Lotta Body mousse to help mold the actual ponytail down. This hair is really snug and secure up on my head, y'all. Y'all have no idea. So I'm just going through and making sure that there's no flyaways or anything like that as we pull this hair all the way back. The only thing that I'm going to do extra is cut the extra baby hair on the side. I want them to be even so I can give some cute little tendrils. Definitely need to check out Beauty Forever hair. They have an array of units. Again, I have a coupon code that I will leave down below so you guys can indulge in all of their wonderful units. I'm really happy with this. Like, I really am. Just took a little piece of hair and just looped it around the ponytail so it has a much more seamless look. All right, I'm gonna turn around for you guys. And we have done two styles. I came through with a low pony for you guys. And I hope you guys like it. This is so summertime fun. I hope that's what I'm serving. I hope you guys are feeling her just as much as I am. I really do like this unit. I enjoy the lace, okay? We went through, laid her down, and then we coming through with a cute little ponytail. So if you have not already, bust down. Tell me how you feeling about her. This is Beauty Forever hair again. We'll have a coupon code in the description box. And I'll see you beautiful mugs later.